Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to disconnect a wallet from CoinStats. To disconnect a wallet from CoinStats, first of all, launch open the CoinStats application and make sure to log into your account. Now, go to the More button at the bottom right hand corner and tap on it. Within the More menu, tap on your username or your wallet at the top and then click on the Wallet button in the profile menu. To disconnect from one of your wallets, tap the trash icon right next to the connected wallet. Click on Remove and you will then be able to disconnect a wallet on your CoinStats app. Once it is done, the wallet will no longer appear in your CoinStats account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.